This is a fit for a 2018 and beyond Volvo XC40 with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium WingBar Evo base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar Evo load bars in silver, 47 inches in length, the 460R Rapid Podium Foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and rubberized metal brackets which grip the edges of the flush side rail. This is part number KIT 4073. Here we have the bars positioned at 30 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum bar spacing is up to 49 inches. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.